Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel, The Science Station. Yesterday, we do all Planck's radiation law for Wien's and Rayleigh's law. For today's topic is photoelectric effect. Before starting the session, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. So, shall we start? Let's start our class. Today's topic is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is very important effect. आप लोगों ने घर पे एलईडी बल्ब देखा है? आपके घर पे जब व्हेन यू यूज़ एलईडी बल्ब तो जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजम्पशन होता है वो लेस होता है. वाई? एलईडी बल्ब के पीछे भी द मेन थिंग बिहाइंड एलईडी बल्ब इज photoelectric effect. This effect is very important effect. Shall we start? The phenomenon of photoelectric effect can be defined as the emission of electron from the surface of a metal plate when a light of a suitable wavelength is incident on it. Means suppose this is a metal plate. When the emission of electron from the surface of the when light is incident on it, जब लाइट इस पर इंसिडेंट करेगी तब मेटल प्लेट जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इमिट करती है दैट फिनोमिना इज नोन एज फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन, क्या होता है इन फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट व्हेन दैट metal surface emits electron, that electron shows or comes in a form of light. That phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. Now I will explain how it happens. The electrons are present in all the object. We all know that electrons are present in all the object, bodies of environment. These are firmly attached to the atom and not liberated unless the sufficient energy supplied to them. Means क्या होगा, these electrons are very much attached to the atom. ये तब तक अटैच रहेंगे वेन एवर वी आर नॉट अप्लाइड और वी आर नॉट गिविंग सम particular amount of energy they needed to excite. However, when the light rays are incident on them, electron absorbs light and acquire the required energy which gets separated from their respective atom. यही होता है when light in form of कुछ भी, when light incident on it, electron gets the energy. एनर्जी लेने के बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होता है, इट मीन्स it now electron is having sufficient energy to separate it from the electron. The flow of such electron constitute electronic current. And we all know that when electrons move, the current will flow. It's the same thing. The flow of such electron constitute electric current. This phenomena of emission of electrons is called photoelectric effect. Same thing I told you before. The phenomena of photoelectric effect can be defined as the emission of electron from the surface of metal plate when a light of suitable wavelength is incident on it. That is a photoelectric effect. This is very important. Now we find the expression from the kinetic energy. Or what is the kinetic energy? When electron is moving, there is a energy will be in form of kinetic energy. So we all know that kinetic energy equal to ke equal to half mv square. See, the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron k max equal to half mv square. We can also write h nu minus omega 0. Omega 0 we can write h nu minus nu 0. What is the omega 0? Omega 0 is here threshold frequency. Threshold. What is the meaning of threshold? When something is about to start, we call that a particular state threshold. The level at which something start to happen, we call them threshold. This is the threshold frequency. Okay. See, Now if mu 0 is threshold frequency, then we can write this. Now K max equal to h nu minus h nu 0. We all know that nu equal to c upon lambda, that is frequency equal to speed upon wavelength. We write this is the you just remember this formula. This formula is very important. The numerical related to this formula, we have numerical related to this formula, where lambda 0 equal to threshold wavelength. Threshold, again the level at which something about to start, we call them threshold. Lambda wavelength of incident light, c equal to speed of light, and h equal to Planck's constant. Now laws of photoelectric effect. This is now a law of photoelectric effect. What is the photo? When you have to ask, write the photoelectric effect, you have to write this only. Okay. Now laws means what? It is not a laws, it is a analysis of photoelectric effect. The electron will not be emitted from the metal surface unless the frequency of incident radiation is above the threshold frequency. This is, we can write it analysis of photoelectric effect. I already told you threshold means when something is about to start. So it is pretty obvious we need more frequency than threshold frequency. Second point, the kinetic energy of photoelectron is independent of intensity of incident radiation. See, as we know that here Planck's constant, speed of light and wavelength, there is no intensity, so it is independent of intensity. Third one, the kinetic energy of photoelectron depends on the frequency of incident ray. Frequency of incident ray. First, we need the more than threshold frequency for this photoelectric effect. Second, it is independent of intensity, and third one, it is depend upon the frequency of that incident radiation. Now photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of incident radiation. Fifth one, photoelectric current is independent of frequency of incident radiation. See what it means. Fifth means, देखिए कंफ्यूज मत हुई. Photoelectric effect is independent of frequency of incident ray, means radiation, means what, कितना भी बार गिरे, एक बार इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्साइट हो गया है, then it will move. Again, the photoelectric field is instantaneous process. Instantaneous मतलब तभी हो जाता है whenever sufficient amount of radiation, suppose this is the metal plate, sufficient amount of radiation incident on it, automatic electron will excite and they will go. So it is an instantaneous process. This is all about your photoelectric effect. This is very important question and बहुत बार this question ये question आता है. This is your photoelectric effect. If you have to ask in 4 marks question, you have to write this explanation and you have to write expression for the frequency or energy. Okay, here you have to write, means you have to write from here explanation, expression, and here this is the analysis of law of photoelectric effect. So today I explain photoelectric effect. Next session I will explain you Davison-Germer experiment. This experiment will be very useful to explain the wave nature of a particle. This one is also important. In next session I will explain this. So please be with me. Let like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.